Spot and I were just in the backyard looking at the clouds up in the sky. Do you want to join us? You do? Fantastic, come on. Hey Spot, our friend is here.
Hi. You're just in time.
Alright, so here's what you do. Whenever me or Spot see a cloud that's shaped like something, you have to show us where it is. Got it?
Yeah.
Great, let's begin.
I just spotted a cloud that looks like a frog.
Really? Can you find the cloud that looks like a frog?
The one in the middle.
Oh yeah, you're right. The frog cloud is in the middle. Great job finding that spot.
Thank you.
Okay, now it's my turn. I see a cloud that looks like my favorite animal, a duck. Which one of these clouds is a duck?
The one on the right.
Correct. There's the duck on the right. Great job finding that one. Wow, finding shapes in the clouds sure is fun.
It sure is, Alex.